Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Omnisend campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. To disable your Omnisend campaigns, start by logging into your Omnisend account. Once logged in, navigate to the campaigns section on the left sidebar. Here, you will find a list of all your active campaigns. Select the campaign you wish to disable by clicking on its name. This will take you to the campaign overview page. On this page, look for the Settings tab located near the top. Click on the Settings tab to access the campaign settings. Scroll down to find the Status section. You will see an option to change the status of your campaign. Click on the drop-down menu next to Status. Select Disabled from the list of options. After making your selection, be sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the Settings menu. Click on Save to confirm the changes you've made. Your campaign will now be disabled and will no longer be sent out. To ensure everything is correct, you can return to the main campaigns list. Refresh this page to see the updated status of your campaign. If it shows as disabled, you have successfully completed the process. Remember, you can always re-enable your campaign later if needed. That's how you disable Omnisend campaigns like a pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.